Banyak snok tilang mat kiwe hiri ke perthai mat kham tam hapo kari India ke Ribhoi District Yoga Sana Sport Association RBDYSSA ringkat ke Yoga Cell ke Ribhoi College kala pelong ya ke jingrakhi ya ke International Yoga Day kum shibenta banaj hi kai halor ki ruka mile ka yoga ka bai jing ko jingkhia ya ki patpa ya ke ni ke jingrakhi ke International Yoga Day la rakhi ha Ribhoi College har kaba ke Additional Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoi ka Ayushi Pradhan kala shimbenta kum ka kong san badla saki lang ru da ka jingdon lang ka kong N Fairly Nita Sun SWO ka Ribhoi District ka Principal ka Ribhoi College ka Dr. Elizabeth Kharkongor Michael Main District Youth Officer ka Mera Yuva Bharat Ribhoi Kinohikai, but Kisamna Puli Kateka College, Lambat Kinongkit Kam, Ka Ribhoi District Yoga Sana Sports Association. Lingma Jong Kanegasi, Nalor Ki Jingkren, Ki Bai, Jing Batai Shapang, Ka Jingmentoy, Ka Jingile Ka Yoga, Kisamna Puli Ringkat Kiway, Kila Pelong Ru, Ya Ka Jing Kilanman, Ka Badei Shibenta Karukamile Ka Yoga, Ka Bai Jingko Jingkia Ki Briu, Ki Ba Pulut Por, Ha Ka Jingile Ka Yoga.
Really reduce stress and anxiety. As students, it is very stressful for you to come to college every day, listen to teachers' lectures, taking down notes, and there are so many techniques that yoga has. The breathing techniques, the mindfulness in yoga help calm your mind, and not only that, it improves your focus and concentration. This is very helpful because through this it can really boost memory and your cognitive function, and it also enhances your emotional regulation. All these together will really build up your mental health, and the physical benefit include improved flexibility and posture. You are sitting now in a very posture that you have never had in this college. I think this is your first time attending the yoga program. Yes or no? Have you been sitting like this in your classroom? No. It really helps you a lot. Yes or no? So it really increases your strength and stamina.
In a much better way. I was able to study under such stressful situations. So I had personally benefited from yoga. So it was just a 15 minutes investment, but I feel it has in some or the other way, it has changed my way of looking things. So therefore, I would recommend that each and every one of us should give at least 30 minutes or 20 minutes, if not 30, to yoga. You don't require to go to any expensive gym or anything. You just require a simple yoga mat, and you just require a few basic practices. You can have a lot of YouTube videos also nowadays where they properly guide you regarding the steps of yoga. So I think each and every one of us should take a mindful decision that we practice yoga on a daily basis. So as we know that yoga has its tradition from our ancient Indian wisdom, and by lot of efforts has also been taken by the government of India, the Ministry of Ayush, to revive yoga. So I really feel that we all of us has the responsibility to ensure that our ancient wisdom is not lost, and the benefits of those ancient wisdom we should reap it till today. Thank the Ribhoi District Yogasana Sports Association for recognizing the importance of yoga. I would like to thank the Ribhoi College and the Health and Hygiene Cell for their thoughtful collaboration. Today's event, I think it's very much far-reaching. So let us not see this Yoga Day just as a one-time observance, but let us see it as a starting point of a daily commitment, however small, to our physical, mental and emotional health.